Would it be possible to bake pottery with a microwave oven? When LG offered a challenge to bake pottery using a microwave oven, I thought it was an impossible idea. Because the most important thing when completing a piece of pottery lies in even and precise control of the heat source. I thought it might just be possible after all. If the NeoChef fails to deliver heat evenly and steadily, the pottery will break. It's baked perfectly. With the NeoChef having proven itself more than capable of baking a delicate piece of pottery, I wondered, how well would NeoChef serve its original purpose of cooking a delicious dish? It's amazing. As a potter and as my wife's personal chef, I think today has been a great success. Design your taste. NeoChef.